17 Pro Max also cracked. Lucky girl syndrome. Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing well. I am so excited for today's video because today is going to be an iPhone 17 Pro Max unboxing. I ordered it on launch day. I woke up at 6 a.m. instead of 5 a.m. My alarm didn't go off. I was super mad. So I ended up getting the one that's like 3.5 weeks later, but then I just kept refreshing the Apple website like a crazy maniac. I finally got two iPhone 17 Pro Max in orange in the exact color combo that I want in 256 gigabytes. So I am gonna unbox them with you today. I'm so excited. I went to pick it up at the Apple Store yesterday. I know that if you refresh it every morning to the Apple Store, you're able to at least see if there's like one or two around your area. We kept doing it for a few days and then I thought we would give up. But yesterday he surprised me with a new mommy car and also iPhones, which is lucky girl syndrome. I feel really blessed. So happy, and I want to unbox them with you guys today because I've been waiting for these babies. One of my favorite colors, and I definitely feel like I am gonna love this iPhone. I always say that about every iPhone. I'm gonna keep the iPhone forever. I'm gonna keep it for over 2 years, but I end up getting a new one every year. But maybe this one, maybe this is my time. Maybe this is the one. I don't know. Let's unbox them both together. They are the iPhone 17 Pro Max in orange. They remind me of the Hermes orange so much. It's so beautiful. It's making me want to shop at Hermes more. This one is actually already opened because this is his. We both got matching ones. This was opened yesterday and he installed a screen protector on it already. So let's just open this one for now. It's so pretty. We already unboxed it and I was able to hold it yesterday for the first time on his screensaver, but it looks so pretty. It's so gorgeous. The feel is so nice and it just feels like very luxurious, and I'm excited to have mine. So let's open and unbox mine. So right now I currently have the iPhone 16 Pro Max. I actually just got this one recently. I had the gold one when it first dropped last year, and then I got this one towards the middle of the year because I lost the gold one and I actually dropped it because me and my daughter were playing, and now there's a huge crack down the line in the middle, and right here too it's also cracked. So gotta get that fixed, but I'm gonna donate that after I fix the crack. So let's unbox my orange one. I'm so excited. Ooh, oh my gosh. I think it feels different because it's like mine. So I just know it just, so pretty. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed. I feel like every single new color that comes out with Apple, it's so perfect. I know people have different feels and ways about it. People say it reminds them of Halloween or something creepy or a pumpkin, but I definitely think in person it looks way better than I did seeing it online on videos and photos and YouTube. It's very gorgeous, and no, I'm not gonna get sick of it. So when you unbox the phone, it's right here. It's still covered in the sticker. It comes with the little USB-C charging cable, and then I think under here it still has the paperwork and stuff like that. I don't think it comes with stickers anymore. I would have given my daughter the stickers. New charger, which I need definitely. I never end up using the new chargers, so yay, I'm so excited. Sticker. Oh, I feel like my back in the olden days when I used to unbox iPhones every single year, because that was my thing. If you guys remember from back then when I used to unbox every single iPhone when I used to get them every single year, that was, you're an OG. Okay, you're an OG, you're original. Okay, let's open this. Ooh, 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 it feels so good. Oh, it's so nice. Let's turn it on together for the first time. Also, yes, I am filming in my washroom right now because there's nowhere else that has better lighting. Duh! Alright, so I do have to run out to the mall and buy my girlfriend something for her birthday, and I have an appointment as well, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to set this up right then and now. I might just bring it with me along the way and set it up as I go out, but let's just try to do the quick one. English. People think I'm crazy and that I'm blind because I always like to do the large when there's like medium and large and default. I like to go straight to the large because I don't have the best eyesight, and I know being 30 years old not having best eyesight is definitely a red flag. Like, I don't know who gave me this eyesight, but I always do large because I can't see that well, and even though the phone is like humongous, I still need it to be large. Set up without another device. entering the Wi-Fi password. Can't be looking at my Wi-Fi password, okay, sneaky people. It may take a few minutes to activate your new iPhone, yay! I am so excited. I'm gonna play around with it all day. I need to go and find a screwdriver for it, trying to see if I have like a 16 Pro Max laying downstairs. It probably won't fit the full, but that's fine because I am going to Asia really soon and I'm gonna just put the entire new screen on there. It'll be nicer. I haven't decided if I want to use a new case for this because I don't use cases anymore as I used to. I used to be obsessed with phone cases, but I haven't been using it the past 2 years and I kind of like it too. But as of right now, I am just gonna use it without a case. I don't really know if I should do it with or without a case. I like the color. I don't know if pink is gonna look cute on there and black might look like too Halloween-y, and then I want a white case but it might get dirty, so maybe no case is the way. I think as I film more vlogs and things like that, you guys will see if I should have a case or not. Face ID, it's asking me to set up Face ID, so let's quickly set that up. Create a password. I'm gonna set this up and take my own time, but I wanted to let you guys know that I have the new iPhone 17 Pro Max. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to do more videos like what's on my iPhone, maybe some cases if I test it out. I don't really know. I'll definitely be traveling and filming with it too. Make sure you take a look at my other videos. I'm gonna do some more videos with it too. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you guys and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!